Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I want to show you guys what I have here. I don't know, LPN, RR, something, but what it is, oh, here's the code over here. I don't know what that other one is. So let's open this up, and I'll show you. It is a 50-foot 3-pin wire, 18 EWG. So this is good for just any general purpose wiring stuff. If you wanted to have some speakers or something like that, you can do it, or whatever. Oh, I don't know what this is. It says congratulations. Maybe I won. Let's see what I won. Nothing. Okay. And so this is the wire here. So I'll just show you what it is here. This is 3 wires in it. So, oh, it's one thing, but you get both the ends on the same side. So we'll just kind of open it up here. I have the littlest, oldest strippers here, but I'll show you guys what the wires look like if I can do this. I don't think it's even sharp. Okay, there we go. So here are our 3 wires. You get I'm gonna not know what colors these are, but these are maybe black. Oh, it's like got goop in it. So I guess it's got some sort of lubrication in there, but I think it's black, yellow, and red maybe. I don't know. You guys can tell me in the comments or something if you know what it is. But these are nice little wires. So these are good for, if you have some speakers that you want to put out somewhere, you could have a common and one for each right and left. So this nice little wire, and it says Triumph cable. I guess that's the brand, but nice cable. Thumbs up from me.